Well, I got a little more done on the Jag. I got the clutch pulled off. Used a 9/16 bolt, fine thread, and I made sure there was threads far enough on there so it didn't bottom out in the clutch. And it come right off real nice. Tightened it up real good. I whacked it with a hammer and it flew right off. I got the pistons off the motor, and I got the starter pulley pulled off. On the pistons, I just used a carriage head bolt that fit the pin real nice, a piece of pipe, and just they pulled out real nice. So now I got the pistons off. I got the dash pulled out, the motors pulled out. I took the skis off. As you can see, there's a hole there, and it's real thin back here, and the other one is about the same way. So I'll have to see about what I can find for some skis and or some ski skins to put on there. I also got the skid out. I think the shock absorber probably needs to be replaced. It don't feel real good. Got to put new Hyfax on. This one broke off, and somebody run it with no Hyfax for a while, so that side's not in as good a shape as it should be. But otherwise, I think it's okay. There's a little bit of play in all of the wheels here, so I'll take them out. Probably put new bearings in. This part I think is alright, but we'll see. Get her all checked out. Oh yeah, the Hyfax is broke right there on this one, so this one ain't too far away from flying apart either. There's the hood. But getting a little more done. I suppose the next thing to do will be pull the seat off so I can get that tail light pulled out. I think the bearings on this cross shaft are probably alright. And check them out. At some point I'll pull out the pull the cover off the chain case, make sure everything's good in there. There's some glass work that needs to be done here. It has an aluminum piece down there, and there's another one underneath the dashboard there. So I'll have to do some glass work there. This is busted out a little bit for the hood hinge, so I'll have to do a little bit of glass work there. But otherwise, getting her tore apart, seeing what we need. I'm probably going to take this over to a local shop that should have a puller for this and get that zipped off, so then I can pull the two halves apart on the crankcase. Then I can get it checked out and put some new seals in the lower end and start figuring out what I want to do with it anyways. So yeah, that's all for now. Alright, thank you.